In this video, I'll show you how to add USDC to your MetaMask wallet so it shows up properly in your balance. First, open your MetaMask app or browser extension and unlock it. At the top, make sure you're on the right network where your USDC is. For example, Ethereum mainnet, Arbitrum, Polygon, or another EVM chain you're using. The token must be added on the same network where you hold it. Now, on the main screen, scroll down and tap Import Tokens or Add Tokens. In the Search tab, type USDC. From the results, select the official USD coin, USDC, for that network. Then tap Next and Import or Add. If USDC doesn't appear in the search, go to the Custom Token tab. Paste the USDC contract address for your network, and MetaMask will fill in the token symbol and decimals. Confirm to add the token. Once it's imported, your USDC balance will be visible whenever you receive or hold USDC in that wallet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.